Hey everyone, it's Sean and welcome to Invest with Fire. Are you trying to figure out how to set the scanner for the Thinkorswim mobile app for iOS? Well, I get you because the Thinkorswim user interface is confusing and it can get pretty overwhelming. Don't worry, because in this tutorial, I will show you how to scan for stocks with the Thinkorswim Apple iOS mobile app so that you can quickly scan for stocks. I'd appreciate an early thumbs up as it helps with YouTube algorithm. And these videos do take a really long time to make. If you want to continue to get Thinkorswim tutorial or stock analysis videos, consider subscribing to the channel. That being said, I respect your time, so let's get right into it. Here's the format of the video. Part 1, setting up a scanner in the Thinkorswim desktop program. Part 2, viewing and modifying your scanner in the Apple iOS mobile app. To first set up a scanner on your Thinkorswim mobile app for the iPhone, you have to set up the scanner in your Thinkorswim desktop program. And unfortunately, you can't do this in the actual mobile app. You have to do it in the desktop program. So we are in the Thinkorswim program and we're in the Monitor tab. To set up your scanner, go to the Scan tab. And this will take you to your setup screen. Thinkorswim also provides you preloaded preset scanners that you can choose from, or you can customize and make your own scanner. So I'm going to first show you the preset scanners that Thinkorswim includes. And we're going to go to this button right here with the 3 lines and 3 dots. And you click on load and then click on any of these public scanners or the top 10 scanners. And for example, if we want to select on the top 10% gain NASDAQ, it will show up these filters, which are stock filters. And for example, if we want a last price or the price of stock to start at, let's say $50, and the max price that we wanted, let's say we wanted, you're gonna have to scroll over a bit for this. We wanted to have a max price of $100. This is nice because Thinkorswim shows you that there's 898 matches. And the next filter is volume. And if we want a minimum of 5,000 and a max of, let's just say 10,000, we can do that. We'll click on scan and we only show one of one stock that has these different filters. That's between $50 to $100 and the volume is 5,000 and 10,000. And if we wanted to increase this, let's just say we could go to 20,000 and we'll click scan. And now we have 12 stocks, but we're only showing 10. So we could click on these different parameters and click on 20. And we can also sort this by different parameters like percent change. We'll keep it at that. And we'll click on scan. And now we're showing 12 of 12 stocks that we scanned for. And you can also eliminate some of these parameters too, because there's a lot going on here. So you could customize, and for example, you could get rid of bid ask, remove item, or remove ask, and that cleans this up a little bit so that you can sort your different stocks that you want. So next, I will show you how to customize your own scanner. So I'm gonna get rid of this and click on remove all filters. Basically, I'm gonna add a filter right here, and I could choose these different filters. I could choose stock, option, fundamental, study, or pattern. So for stock, I could choose I'm gonna expand this a bit. I could choose a minimum price of, let's say, $50 and a max price of, let's say, $200. And I'm gonna add another filter. And let's say if I wanted to filter for options, right? I could choose different options such as probability in the money, the strike price, right? I could go a min price of $50 and I could go a max price of $200. I'm gonna add another filter, and let's just say if we wanted to choose a fundamental value like a book value per share, you could click on that. And the max could be, let's just say 10,000. And you know, this is just random parameters and filters that I'm setting up just to show you how the scanners work on Thinkorswim. Next, I'm going to choose on study. And this is where you can choose different studies. We could choose average volume. And the next filter we accept is a pattern. So we could choose on different patterns, right? We could do, let's see, we could do a rising wedge if we really wanted to. And there it is. So these are the different filters that you can use on your scanner. So Thinkorswim Desktop Scanner is really powerful because you can choose a lot of options on here, right? And you can get really overwhelmed with what you can scan for. So it's important to know what you're looking for. And we're gonna click on scan. And now we're showing 20 of 33 stocks showing up. And this is my custom scanner. And if you want to show more stocks again, we could select show 50, scan, and now we have all 33 stocks showing up. Now, if you want to save this custom scanner, go up to this top bar again, click on the 3 lines and 3 dots, and we're going to save scan query. And now add your own custom name to this. So we'll go scanner 1 and click on save. And there it is. There is your custom scanner saved. Now we're going to jump into the Thinkorswim mobile app for iPhone, and I'm going to show you how you're going to pull up your own custom scanner. To pull up your custom scanner, click on watch list in the upper left right here. And right here on the bottom, second from the bottom, there's your custom scanner. I'm going to click on that. And you can see at the top under watch list, you can see your scanner name. And this is your custom scanner. And you can scroll left and right. And these are all the different parameters that you can show. And you can customize this so that you can reduce all the clutter. So click on this gear icon and you can select whatever visible columns you want to include. So for example, if we wanted to get rid of ask, I'm gonna click on this negative and press delete. If I want to get rid of bid, press on the negative, press delete, and done. So now we won't have bid and ask on the screen anymore. And this is your custom scanner so that you can quickly scan for stocks in the Thinkorswim mobile app. I hope you found that video helpful. And if you want more Thinkorswim tutorial videos, consider subscribing and turning on that notification button, but only if you really want to. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you all have an absolutely amazing rest of your day.